healthy nutritional diet requires being well-rounded with a suitable amount of nutrients, vitamins as well as minerals. The RDA's recommendation for day-to-day consumption of such things is a good place to check your optimal intake. If you've noticed a change in your body, it's probably because of how you consume your macronutrients and the portions you intake. If you don't change that right now, you will not get the results you are looking for. With that being said, all you have to do is consume little meals every few hours to boost your metabolism and reduce fat storage, and make sure your macronutrient percentages are right. In this video, I will share with you basic guidelines on how to make sure you are feeding your body what it needs. Following these proven tips I'm about to share with you have helped muscle builders, models, athletes, and those looking to improve their health reach their desired outcomes. Before we dive into it, I need you to smash the subscribe button and click the like button so we could reach more people. So you are looking for mind and body transformation. Consuming the proper foods once you wake up is critical when breaking the fast your body go into nightly. Approximately 3 to 4 hours after you eat, your body shuts down your metabolism and behaves as though it is required to store food. This is a great function to possess if a shortage erupts and you do not see food for a long period of time. After all, if there is a shortage, you're going to need your body to work efficiently by stashing away fat and burning it as little as possible. Nevertheless, you don't desire your body to stock up on fat and burn it slowly now, correct? Because there's no food shortage or famine right now, and more than likely won't be one in the near future. Then it's pretty irritating when your body begins loading up on the pounds. So, in order to communicate with your body that it's fit, well-nourished, and not in demand of additional fat storage, you need to reprogram your metabolism. Here's the way you do it. Begin your day off with a little meal and continue to eat small meals every few hours throughout the day. What should you eat? Here I'm simply going to give you general guidelines. Because everyone watching this video right now have different goals for their bodies. These suggestions are basic guidelines for healthy types of food that don't boost fat storage. Protein, 35%, fat, 25%, carbs, 40%. All meals that you eat should contain calories coming from protein, carbs, and fat. Eating healthy food is important at all ages, but it's particularly important as you get older. For adults, consuming healthy food day in and day out can be a bit rough. Why should I eat well? What is the link between consuming healthy food and maturing well? What may I do to eat healthier? How can I choose realistic goals that I am capable of meeting?